Well, greetings. This is Mark coming to you from Baker's Green Acres. A little windy today. I thought, what a great day to talk about seed selection for your garden. You know, it's what, the 24th, 25th of February now, and I know everybody's getting a little antsy and wondering, where is spring? Well, it's right around the corner. You can tell that right now. I mean, the other day we had really nice temperatures. Well, actually, pretty rugged out right now. We're in the middle of a blizzard. This is going to be the blizzard of 19, I guess. We're supposed to have snow for a couple of days. High winds around us right now. A lot of people are without electricity. That's rough. But the reality is, spring is right around the corner, and it is time to get those seed catalogs out and start thinking about warmer days and green grass. And also, if I could get some input on my new device here that holds my camera. I'm kind of liking it, getting used to it. It doesn't shake around. I never really knew how bad that was until I watched one of my own videos on a big screen. But this device is actually, it's got servo motors on it that are actually holding it steady even in this wind. Yeah, it's working really well. But if I did watch my own videos on a big screen, I shook around so much that it gave me vertigo. Yeah, I'll kind of pan around and show you what it looks like here today. I'm going to put this on. Okay. Well, there's all my pigs. I fed them. They don't think this is too bad. A lot of them are laying down. It's like 4:30 in the afternoon. We're supposed to get 10 inches or so. But we've got everything buttoned down and put in, all the equipment that we could. Tractors in, plow trucks in, and all the buildings are closed up. Dump truck's sitting there like that so it doesn't fill up with snow, hopefully. Calves are out still, going around finding things to eat. But I did go out and drive a little bit just to see how bad the roads were, and they're pretty treacherous, so I came home. There was no reason to be out. Yeah, a little rogue cat getting a drink of water. All right, that's it from Baker's Green Acres. I thought I'd just document this weather a little bit. A lot of you people down in the southern part of the United States are probably quite envious of this. But remember, anyone can farm.